A simple real max width, 100% genuinely makes images and videos actually shrink to fit their container, the foundation of real responsive media. In this video you'll make real media responsive. Max width, 100% genuinely prevents an image from ever overflowing its real container height. Auto genuinely preserves its actual aspect ratio while shrinking. This real, exact same pattern genuinely applies to video elements to a real, universal responsive media technique. Aspect ratio genuinely reserves a real, consistent container shape, combined with object fit for actual proper real cropping inside it. Max width, 100% genuinely prevents media from overflowing its container. Height, auto genuinely preserves the real aspect ratio while resizing. The same real pattern genuinely applies to both images and video. Make a real fixed size image responsive using max width and height auto. Ready to put everything from this series together into one real landing page.